All right, let's jump right into this explainer on coding for kids, based on some awesome insights from Tinker.
You hear about it everywhere, right? So what's the big deal with kids and coding?
Simply put, it's just telling a computer what to do. It's the language behind all our favorite tech.
But it's not just technical stuff. Think of it like a new set of paints for your kids' imagination. They can literally build anything they can dream up. Games, robots, you name it. It's pretty amazing.
So how does this actually help your kid in their day-to-day life? Let's take a look.
It's all about building a foundation of super important life skills that go way beyond the computer screen. It builds real skills like creativity, focus, and the confidence to solve really tough problems. And yup, this even translates to better performance in school, especially in math and writing.
Okay, that's the now. But what about the future? How does coding set them up for success later?
Well, check this out. The numbers show a huge gap between available tech jobs and qualified people.
We're talking 1.4 million jobs in fields related to computer science. That's a lot.
But get this, there were only 400,000 grads ready to fill them. That's a massive opportunity.
And these aren't just any jobs. We're talking about high-paying careers, for sure.
This student, Scout, absolutely nails it. Coding is becoming a fundamental skill for almost any career path.
So the big question is, how do you get your kids started without it feeling like homework?
Well, platforms like Tinker are designed to make coding feel just like playing a game.
The secret is its game-based approach, which taps into what kids already love to do.
It gives them a clear path, starting with easy visual blocks and then moving to real text-based code.
What's really cool is how they can instantly see how the blocks become real code. It just clicks.
And they're not alone. They get to join a massive global community of other young creators.
And getting started is super easy. There are free options to explore or premium plans for a deeper dive. So here's a thought. What if making screen time more productive is the key to their future?